We'll do the last.
Beyond that is too big for the sprint. If that makes sense.
So we'll do the last one. The Heron Tower. What did we say it was? So choose your cards. So we have a 2. We have 20 for this one here. We have a 2 for this one here. We could live with an 8 for this one here.
Yeah.
So Heron Tower. What is that?
13. We were discussing about.
Pick a card. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so why is Kevin saying 8 still? Go on.
Because I think the difference between the two is not that great relative to the difference between the Heron Tower and the Shard. But I can live with 13.
Is it local knowledge?
Okay.
I didn't know the shard is that tall.
Well, I think it's that tall.
Yeah,
And I think Heron Tower is, I don't know, maybe twice as tall as Bishopsgate. But I might be
Okay.
wrong. I don't know
Okay, when you say twice as tall, what are you looking at exactly?
how tall they are,
How tall the building is, or how tall?
how tall the building is.
So are you talking about which part of the building?
The whole building.
The whole building? So that,
Yeah.
that, or that?
Not the antenna of the building.
Not the antenna. Okay, so I'm going to include the spire.
It's a 13. It's a 13.
Okay. Okay, so the estimate is useful, but the real value of this exercise is what?
consensus.
Okay, the consensus, arriving at a consensus, that's good as well.
Forecasting.
Yeah, that's useful. You can use the estimate to forecast.
The thinking behind the estimate
Right.
and the considerations. So,
Yes.
oh, you weren't considering this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's say everyone said 8, yeah, and only one person said 13. Yeah. And then, so why did you say 13? Well, I was looking at the whole thing, including the spire. Ah, damn! I didn't realize. Yeah, you're right. We should have thought of the spire, and then maybe suddenly everyone is 13.
Mhm.
Could happen.
Yep. So the value.
Or it could be actually no. The spire is not important. Let's say it was the other way around,
Mhm.
and I was the only person that said 8, and you as a product owner said actually the spire is optional.
Yeah.
Then everyone might go to 8.
Exactly. So the value in planning poker is not really the estimate. The estimate is just a byproduct of the process. It's a useful byproduct to have because you can use it for forecasting, but it's not the real benefit of the exercise. The real benefit of the exercise comes with analysis. This is analysis. This is requirements analysis because I'm trying to translate what I'm thinking and putting it, when I'm committing it to sort of a number, we're now asking deeper questions, right? So the value of playing poker is not so much in the estimate, it's in the process, the team synchronizing the mental model and sharing of knowledge. We're effectively building cross-functional teams here because we understand the requirement. We have all generating common understanding of that. Okay, one last question here. What is the second tallest building in that picture?
Here in town, I think.
Anyone else?
Second tallest. Yeah.
Getting perspective, just what we're looking at there.
No, in
Reality.
yeah, all the pictures that you see in London, all the buildings that you see here in the landscape, which is the second tallest building?
Possibly here in town.
Heron Tower, right? Okay, it's actually not. It's actually this one here.
Canary Wharf.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Okay.
Trick question. Nice one.
But the analogy holds.
Yeah.
Things that are farther away are more difficult to estimate,
Sometimes you don't even see them.
and things that are very large are very difficult to estimate. Things that are large and farther away are more difficult to estimate. So what do we do to our backlog in order to have better estimates?
Review it.
We refine the backlog. We break work down and we estimate iteratively as it becomes more imminent. Right? Okay, So we're wrapping. So we're going to show you how to work with estimates now that you've got some ideas around that. We're going to work around look at forecasting in a second. But first, what I want to do is you've learned a number of techniques. I want you to write them onto another Post-it note. So you've learned planning poker. You've learned